Balikan natin si Second Lieutenant JONNEL Apostol. Sir JONNEL, final invitation para sa mga graduates natin sa college na to apply for the Philippine Army Officer Candidate Course.
Okay, if you have the qualifications no na nabanggit kanina, if you have what it takes to take the challenge and join the service, you can visit us sa aming Army Recruitment Office Mindanao. We are located at 4th Infantry Division, Camp Evangelista, Barangay Patag, Cagayan de Oro. Idalhin nyo lang yung mga requirements na nabanggit natin kanina. Especially sa mga college graduate, we invited you. And then yung schedules, sabihin ko na rin yung schedules ng examinations natin. So for officer candidate course, Monday, Tuesday, and Saturday yung schedule natin. Pwede kayong pumunta sa office. And then for
Monday,
Tuesday, Saturday.
Yes. Okay, bukas pwede.
Pwede.
Saturday. Kasi
Pwede.
Saturday
And then
bukas.
for candidate soldier course naman, ma'am, is Wednesday and Thursday.
Okay.
Yan yung schedule natin. And then, pwede nyo kaming i-visit and follow nyo kami sa mga social media accounts natin. Yung Army Recruitment Office Mindanao, we have 65,000 followers. If hindi 65,000 yung followers, ma'am, nung...
Hindi kayo yun.
Hindi kami yun.
Hindi legit yun, yung hindi 65,000.
May mga scammer kasi, ma'am, na
Oo nga,
kumakalat
nakita
sa,
ko
sa
rin.
Facebook.
As in, totally the same with
the same.
your page.
Ang problem